Hi everybody, Mary Mercurio here, and for our final project prototype, I am doing collaborative window murals, which is a middle school art group activity. So to start off, I wanted to show these articles that are about some really nice local murals right here in the Syracuse area, which is the district where I teach art. And these are some really interesting uh, informative and interesting blog posts, and they have a lot of pictures in them for the kids to look at. So, and a lot of these are in areas where they live. So I figured that would be kind of interesting and engaging for them to connect to art that's in their own neighborhoods. So we have the Instagram wall. We have another one where they painted some pillars underneath the highway, and then the actual Visit Syracuse blog. For the next part of it, they would go on to Google Earth, which I have pulled up in another tab right here. And in the Google Earth component, I have 7 murals that I pinned that you can see through Google Earth. So here's the first one. And then it brings you over to the second. And the third. And basically, I tried to pick places that were kind of like in different areas inside of the city that had all different components for mural art. Um, Here's one that's downtown. Over in the university area. And the last one is over as you get onto one of our major highways in the area. So the kids would have a chance to browse through this Google Earth part of it. And my hope with that, again, is to connect the kids to local art that they kind of see, whether they're on the bus or maybe it's even in their own neighborhood area. So that would be that component of it. Afterwards, I have 2 videos, one talking about a famous artist that made murals, and then another one which is it graffiti? Is it vandalism? Is it art? It's always a good conversation to have. Then I integrated this street art game from Tate Art. Kids always find this super fun to do together. And here's the objectives for the lesson, which basically, so it says they have now gone through the learning part of it, and they're going to work together in groups of 6 to create a collaborative image painted on the windows of the school in the back of one of the schools where I work. And so they have to work together and brainstorm, and they have to come up with imagery. Is it a statement, image, storyline? Is it about a place, an event? Is it something like the school mascot? So they really have to combine their thoughts and create one collaborative image, which then they will make together. And I know window art isn't exactly the same thing as mural art, but it has a lot of similar components when you are doing the brainstorming process. This talks about the timeline and a few more of the pieces on the rubric, and telling them how it's a different surface. This is a medium they've never used before. And finally, the rubric part of it. So basically, a slideshow which will bring them to all these different learning components, and having the Google Earth piece be things that are in their own city that they may see or they may not have seen. And I think it really brings an engagement piece into the learning aspect. So thank you for watching my video. Great semester. Thanks, guys. Have a wonderful holiday.